Imagine a place where lush jungles meet postcard-perfect beaches, where world-class diving and mind-blowing cuisine come at incredibly cheap prices. Welcome to Thailand, the travel hub of Southeast Asia. Thailand is not just a destination, it's an experience. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Koh Lanta, this country has something for everyone. Bangkok, the chaotic yet must-see city, offers a blend of ancient temples, royal palaces, and some of the craziest nightlife scenes in the world. Explore the Grand Palace and Wat Pho in Bangkok, where you can marvel at the 15th century Emerald Buddha and a 150-foot reclining Buddha statue. Chiang Mai, a city filled with temples, food markets, and a chill vibe, is perfect for adventure activities and jungle tours. Don't miss Wat Doi Sup in Chiang Mai, a stunning temple that supposedly contains relics of Buddha himself. Khao Yai National Park, just 2.5 hours north of Bangkok, is a must-visit for its lush flora, fauna, and even wild elephants. Every April, Thailand celebrates Songkran, a 3-day water fight that washes away the old and welcomes the new year. Koh Lanta, with its wide white sand beaches and gorgeous sunsets, offers a taste of old Thailand and is perfect for snorkeling and diving. For a unique experience, visit Thailand's 3 ancient capitals, Sukhothai, Lopburi, and Ayutthaya, each rich in history and culture. Khao Sok National Park in the south offers incredible trekking, camping, and a glistening lake, making it one of the best national parks in the country. Thailand's tropical islands like Koh Samet, Koh Tawatu, and Koh Tao offer beautiful beaches and a range of activities from peace to parties. The Full Moon Party on Koh Pha Nang is a giant festival-like event with drinking, dancing, and fire shows, making it a must-visit for party lovers. For a more relaxed vibe, head to Koh Lipe, a semi-off-the-map island with beautiful beaches and warm waters. Explore the Khmer temples in Isan, including Phai Mai, Phanom Rung, and Muang Thum, for a glimpse into ancient history. Take the day train from Bangkok to Chiang Mai to experience the countryside and how Thais travel, making the journey as memorable as the destination. Visit the Elephant Nature Park near Chiang Mai to volunteer and help rescued elephants, a more ethical alternative to elephant rides. The Golden Triangle, where the Mekong River meets the Ruak River, offers scenic viewpoints and a rich history of opium production. Koh Phi Phi, famous for its nightlife and diving, is a popular tourist island that was rebuilt after the 2004 tsunami. Kanchanaburi Province, home to the infamous Death Railway, offers a haunting yet essential part of Thailand's history. Motorbike through northern Thailand, especially near Chiang Mai and Chiang Rai, for picturesque routes and stunning scenery. Pei, a center for yoga and holistic living, offers incredible hiking trails and waterfalls, making it a great escape from the larger cities. Phuket, Thailand's biggest tourist destination, offers great beaches and activities, especially if you avoid the overdeveloped Patong Beach. Thailand's street food is a must-try, offering delicious curries, rice dishes, and fresh juices at a fraction of restaurant prices. For a unique culinary experience, take a cooking class in Chiang Mai or Bangkok to learn how to make your own Thai dishes. Thailand is incredibly affordable, with budget accommodations, cheap street food, and low-cost public transportation making it easy to travel on a budget. To save money, live like a local by taking local buses, eating street food, and drinking local beer. Avoid booking tours before you arrive, instead, haggle for better deals with local travel agencies. Thailand is a safe place to travel, but always keep an eye on your belongings and avoid unneeded taxis and tuk-tuks. The best time to visit Thailand is between November to March, when the weather is cool and dry, making it perfect for exploring. Whether you're a backpacker on a budget or looking for a luxurious getaway, Thailand offers something for everyone. So pack your bags and get ready to explore the wonders of Thailand, where every corner offers a new adventure. Thailand, where dreams become reality.